Today we gather under the theme of fostering collaboration for digital jobs in the ASEAN region, where innovation converges with collaboration in pursuit of a digitally empowered future.
I'm happy to be a collaborator of the ICT in this particular event, and I'm sure this is only the beginning of journey and of course asset. And I know on RDPK, we look forward to more partnership and collaboration between the ICT and our academic institution. And I'd like to thank you in advance. I'm sure a lot more funds will be released to the CSU for this continual digital transformation project. And warmly welcome everyone to this ASEAN conference. Thank you so much.
We aim to create a common framework on a roadmap to bridge the gap, ensuring that digital opportunities are accessible to all, especially in the area that need it most. We pledge to support the core of digital Philippines through this initiative to aim to enhance the quality of job, elevate employability, foster research development and innovation, and bolster the digital economy. Let us collectively embark on this journey of empowerment, collaboration, and innovation. Together, let us lay the foundation for the future where digital jobs becomes a driving force in a positive change. The DICT is firmly committed in playing its part and actively engaged in initiatives that lays a strong foundation for digital skills development and opportunity. This is the ICT of the people, for the people, always ready, always connected. Thank you, and may the digital wings carry us all towards a more empowered ASEAN. Makasalang mga Good morning.
We are fortunate to have people like you who give their confidence and trust to our city. I also extend my deepest gratitude and admiration to all the organizers for choosing Tuguegarao to host this momentous endeavor. I pray that this occasion will be productive and successful. Let's use this opportunity to get to know each other and exchange our ideas as well as develop our relations.